A line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. Mark this word, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, intersecting the other two sides in two distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Here, from here onwards, if a line is drawn, from here onwards the sentence is Thales theorem, and before that the word that is written is very important, that is prove that. प्रूव दैट वर्ड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसका मतलब क्या करना है आपको, यू हैव टू प्रूव थेल्स थ्योरम. जब आपको थेल्स थ्योरम प्रूव करना है तो सिंपल सी बात है, ए बी सी एक ट्रायंगल है, वहाँ पर उन्होंने कहा है ओके और उसके अंदर क्या है, ए लाइन इज ड्रॉन पैरेलल. ए लाइन को क्या कर रहे हैं हम, ए लाइन इज ड्रॉन पैरेलल टू वन साइड ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल, बराबर इंटरसेक्टिंग द टू साइड्स आर 2 पॉइंट्स. दो साइड्स पे क्या कर रहे हैं वो, ट्रायंगल के दो साइड को वो ये कर रहा है. तो आपको क्या बताना है कि व्हाट इज द सेंटेंस हियर, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides in two distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. इसका मतलब this side upon this side is equal to this side upon this side, ये आपको प्रूव करना है. So if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the remaining two sides at 2 points, then the two sides are divided in the same ratio. Now if you ask me, sir, what is the probability of asking this question in the examination or in SA1 examination, pre-board examinations, it is very means the chances are very high. Even I can go to an extent of saying that it may be one of your probable questions for all your examinations. इतना important ये है. तो इसको प्रूफ कैसे करना है, देखिए आप जब भी कोई फिगर आप बनाते हो तो you must and should write what is it, you have to introduce the figure to the examiner. एग्जामिनर को बताइए कि तुमने फिगर क्या बनाया है. तो आप लिखिए डेटा, राइट ऑन डेटा, डेटा, डेटा. ABC is a triangle. ABC is the given triangle. ABC is the given triangle in which ABC is the given triangle in which ABC is the given triangle in which EF क्या है, yeah, parallel to EF is parallel to BC, okay, intersecting AB and AC, intersecting sides AB and AC at two distinct points E and F, at two distinct points E and F, at two distinct points E and F. Now to prove what we are supposed to prove, to prove what I should prove, can you tell me what I have to prove? AE by EB is equal to what? Yeah, AE by EB is equal to AF by CF, FC, whatever you want to say, right? This is what I have to prove. Whenever you have to prove something, you need to make some construction. आपको कंस्ट्रक्शन करना पड़ेगा. तो कंस्ट्रक्शन हम क्या करेंगे, कंस्ट्रक्शन करते समय आप इसको ज्वाइन कर दीजिए. क्या ज्वाइन करोगे आप, देखो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, ये है ज्वाइन BF एंड ज्वाइन से दिस इज FG, ज्वाइन BF एंड ज्वाइन FG, दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव ज्वाइन. कंस्ट्रक्शन पूरा मत कीजिए, थोड़ा एक लाइन छोड़ दीजिए. अब मैं आपको प्रूफ बताऊंगा कि इसको प्रूफ कैसे करते हैं, हाउ टू प्रूव इट. तो कंस्ट्रक्शन व्हाट इज इट, ज्वाइन BF ज्वाइन FG आपको लिखना है एग्जाम में. ओके, नाउ आई विल कम टू द प्रूफ पार्ट. प्रूफ पार्ट इज लाइक दिस. सी हियर, I would like to take the area of triangle BEF. I would like to take area of triangle BEF and triangle AEF. BEF and AEF हा triangle आपण घेऊया. We will take these two triangles. So what I will do, area of triangle AEF, area of triangle AEF divided by area of triangle, what is it, BEF. Area of triangle AEF divided by area of triangle BEF. So what is the formula for area of a triangle? Yeah, very nice. Half into base into height. So half into base into height means what? Half into, what is the base here? what is the base here, and what is the height here, FG, okay, divided by half into what is it, BE into FG, okay, right. I am using the property of the, I am using the formula for area of a triangle, and that's equal to half into base into height. So now half cancels with half, FG cancels with FG. So what I got is area of triangle AEF, divided by area of triangle BEF, and that's equal to area of triangle AEF by area of triangle, that's equal to how much, AE upon BE. So this I would like to call it as, say, equation A. इसको मैं इक्वेशन A कहूँगा. अब मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, अगेन आई हैव टू गो फॉर व्हाट, अनदर कंस्ट्रक्शन में क्या करूँगा, अगेन आई विल ड्रॉ ए परपेंडिकुलर हियर, यहाँ से एक परपेंडिकुलर लूँगा और फिर इसको जोड़ दूँगा, यहाँ से परपेंडिकुलर ले लिया मैंने, ओके. तो EF के बाद यहाँ पर इसको हम कहेंगे, E आ गया ना, F G तक आ गया, तो I'll call it as say H. Now again I'll take the triangle of this side, यहाँ का ट्रायंगल मैं ले लूँगा, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल अगेन AEF बाय दिस टाइम EFC. AEF के बाद हम क्या कर सकते हैं, EFC हम लेंगे. तो what I'll do here is area of triangle AEF divided by area of triangle EFC is equal to half into what is the base here, AF is the base, what is the height here, EH is the height. So AF into EH divided by half into what is the base here, CF is the base, what is the height here, GH, okay. So half into CF into EH. So EH cancels with EH, half cancels with half. So finally what I got is area of triangle AEF divided by area of triangle EFC is equal to what is it, AF upon CF. So children, now let us see what I got. देखिए, I got in the first equation I got AE by BE, that is there, AE by BE, and मुझे प्रूव करना है AE by BE. In the second equation AF upon CF आना है, तो AF upon CF भी आ गया, यानी right hand side is perfectly set for what we want, but left hand side is not yet set. Let us see whether it is set or not. Okay, area of triangle AEF यहाँ पर भी है, area of triangle AEF यहाँ पर भी है, area of triangle BEF यहाँ पर है, और area of triangle EFC यहाँ पर है. यानी BEF और EFC अगर सेम हो जाएंगे तो हम ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल टू लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, एंड हेंस राइट हैंड साइड विल बी इक्वल टू राइट हैंड साइड, एंड हेंस प्रूव्ड. So that means we have to find some relationship between BEF and EFC. Let us see some relationship between, see here BEF यहाँ पर है और EFC यहाँ पर है. तो आपको मुझे just you answer my question, what is the base of triangle BEF? Very nice. What is the base of triangle EFC? Very nice. So that means what? Both the triangles are standing on the same base. Now can you tell me between which two parallels they are lying? Yeah, EF and BC. So children, whenever two triangles lie on the same base and between the same parallel, their areas are equal. जब भी कोई दो triangles same base पे होता है और same parallel पे होता है तो उनका area क्या होगा? Same होता है. So I can say here children that area of triangle, what is it? BEF area of triangle BEF is equal to area of triangle EFC. Area of triangle EFC, and I'll call it as third equation, okay, or I can call it as C also, because I have started with AB, so let me take it as C to avoid confusion. So ABC and EFC I have taken. Now put C in B. Put equation C in equation B. इक्वेशन C को क्या करो बच्चों, B में डाल दीजिए. तो क्या होगा, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल AEF will be equal to area of triangle what? Triangle AEF. Area of triangle AEF by area of triangle EFC. Instead of EFC I will put here BEF. Area of triangle BEF is equal to what is here, AF upon CF, and that's my equation number D. Equation number, ये मेरा equation number D होगा. Now once again let us compare. If you compare A equation and D equation, what is that you are going to get? AEF यहाँ पर भी है न्यूमरेटर में, डिनोमिनेटर में BEF and BF is there. So left hand sides are equal, and if left hand sides are equal, automatically right hand sides will be equal. So what I'll write here, comparing, what is it, equation A and D, comparing equation A and D, LHS equal to LHS, LHS equal to LHS implies RHS equal to RHS. That means what? AE upon, if you want to write, you can write instead of B, you can write EB also here. AE upon EB is equal to AF upon CF. AF upon CF. And that's what I can say, hence proved. Now this is the first part of the question. So once again I repeat, what I did is, इस तरफ का एक ट्रायंगल ले लिया, इसका बेस ले लिया, तो हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट का फॉर्मूला यूज करके दो बार I got the proof of that. Okay. Using the above theorem, prove that a line drawn through the point of intersection of diagonals and parallel to the base of the trapezium divides the non-parallel sides in the same ratio. See, the first part of the theorem is the first part of the question is the theorem, and that we have already proved. Now what we are doing is, we are proving the second part. Now what we are doing is, what it says, using the above theorem, means which above theorem, this theorem you have to use. Prove that a line drawn through the point of intersection of diagonals and parallel to the base of the trapezium divides the non-parallel sides in the same ratio. That means what? There is a trapezium. यहाँ पर क्या है? एक trapezium है जिसका नाम है A, B, C और D, और इसको एक लाइन आ रहा है पैरेलल EF, राइट? इसको एक लाइन आ रहा है EF, और यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, इसको यहाँ से एक डायगोनल बनाएंगे, और वो डायगोनल क्या करेगा, वो डायगोनल है AC, वो डायगोनल है AC, और यहाँ पर EF ऑलरेडी है, तो हम क्या कहेंगे, इसको G कहेंगे. Again the same thing happens when the figure is not given to you. You draw the figure and write about the figure to the exam. You explain the figure to the examiner. Write down, make it fast. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. In which AB is parallel to CD, right? AB किसको पैरेलल है? CD को पैरेलल है. Line EF is parallel to the base CD. Line EF is parallel to the base CD. CD को line EF क्या है? पैरेलल है. Okay. CD को line EF पैरेलल है. Right. What is AC? What is AC? Yeah, AC is a diagonal. AC is the diagonal. So this sentence I'll write here. This EF is parallel to the base DC. EF is parallel to the base DC, right? And this is intersecting at what point? G point. So this line EF is intersecting diagonal at point G. EF intersects diagonal AC at G. Write down. EF intersects diagonal AC at G. At G. At G. Right? Now let us see what am I supposed to prove. What am I supposed to prove? See here, if you take this figure, can you tell me what are the non-parallel sides of this trapezium? Non-parallel sides. Parallel sides already I told. Yes. Yeah. AE upon ED. AE upon ED should be equal to BF upon FC. Do you agree with me? AE upon ED is equal to BF upon FC. So this is what I am supposed to prove. So AE upon ED is equal to BF upon FC. This is what is my last step, I must say. Okay, this is my last step. Now, how to prove it? Let us see. See, I want the side AE. Before that, one more thing I would like to tell you. See, this line is parallel to this line and this line is parallel to this line. Now, what will be the relation between these two? Parallel only. See, when this line is, two lines parallel to the same line will be parallel to each other. ये भी इसको पैरेलल है, ये भी इसको पैरेलल है, यानी आपस में एक दूसरे को पैरेलल है. Two lines parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. So what I can say, this AB is parallel to CD, EF is parallel to CD. That means what I am going to get here is AB is parallel to what? AB is parallel to EF also, right? It implies. Now you want side AE by ED. AE by ED कौन से ट्रायंगल में आ सकता है रे? हाँ, ADC ट्रायंगल में आएगा. तो आई विल कंसिडर इन ट्रायंगल ADC साइड AE अपॉन साइड ED, साइड AE अपॉन साइड ED इज इक्वल टू साइड AG अपॉन साइड GC. साइड AG upon side GC. This is my first equation. So I'll write in triangle ADC, I'll write here EG is parallel to, what is it? DC. Okay, EG is parallel to DC. So this sides, so since this line is parallel, sides will be in proportion, and what I am using here is by BPT. ऑलरेडी तुमको वही इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है. व्हाट इज इंस्ट्रक्शन गिवन टू यू? यूजिंग द अबाउ थ्योरम. थ्योरम को यूज करना था आपको, थेल्स थ्योरम जो आपने प्रूव किया. नेक्स्ट BF अपॉन FC. BF अपॉन FC कौन से ट्रायंगल में आएगा? या इन ट्रायंगल ABC. अगेन आई राइट द सेम सेंटेंस. इन ट्रायंगल ABC. In triangle ABC, what I can say is GF is parallel to AB. This GF is parallel to AB. So again I'll use the Thales theorem. BF upon FC will be equal to AG upon CG. Sorry, GC. CG दोनों चलेगा. So what I'll write here, AG upon या फिर BF upon FC is equal to AG upon GC. This I will call it as second equation. So comparing equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. What I am getting here is right hand sides are equal. So I'll write here RHS is equal to RHS implies what? LHS equal to LHS. That means what? AE upon ED is equal to BF upon FC. So AE upon ED is equal to BF upon FC. So what I can say? Hence proved. एंड सिंस यू आर इंस्ट्रक्टेड टू यूज द थ्योरम, सो व्हाट आई राइट हियर, ये कहाँ से आया, बाय बीपीटी, बाय बीपीटी, राइट, एम आई क्लियर। तो ये नॉन पैरेलल साइड्स ये है। तो टेक्स्ट बुक में ये प्रॉब्लम है, मगर उसका वर्डिंग इस तरह से नहीं है, उसका वर्डिंग थोड़ा चेंज हो गया। दिस इज अ टेक्स्ट बुक प्रॉब्लम। द ओनली थिंग इज द सेकंड पार्ट जो है थोड़ा वर्डिंग्स उसका जो है वो चेंज हो गया, राइट।